Mario Arjona, Chief of Staff at Outsourced Solutions Group, says, often, the biggest reason why businesses who haven't yet implemented AI are behind the curve is simply because they don't understand what it can do. There's so much more that AI solutions can achieve beyond content generation. That's why today, we're going to explore how integrating AI into your Microsoft 365 suite enhances efficiency. In Teams, AI capabilities include real-time translation and transcription, as well as the intelligent recap feature, which automatically generates meeting summaries. In Word, features like Editor use machine learning to enhance proofreading and style suggestions, while Resume Assistant leverages LinkedIn data to help you create job descriptions. In Excel, the Ideas feature automatically analyzes data trends to suggest visualizations, such as charts and pivot tables. Another notable integration, the Data Types tool, pulls in comprehensive data directly into Excel sheets. In PowerPoint, the AI-driven designer suggests optimal layout and design choices, and Presenter Coach provides real-time feedback to improve presentation delivery skills. In Outlook, features include Focused Inbox, which prioritizes important emails, and Suggested Replies, which offer quick response options based on the content of received emails, and Cortana to streamline scheduling by suggesting meeting times and setting reminders. Finally, in SharePoint, AI is utilized in content management tools that automatically tag and categorize content, and AI-driven search capabilities enable quicker access to relevant documents. If you need help leveraging these solutions, you can count on Outsourced Solutions Group. We offer expert IT consulting to ensure seamless integration and ongoing support with 24/7 network monitoring.